First, I create a loop that I will use for the cast on. Grab the first and the third, creating a heart. Then I will pull a little bit on the yarn, keep my work under the arms, wrap it, and pull up. And it's normal that the second one doesn't move, it was not in the cast on. And then I pull, bring it down and pull, bring it down and pull. For this video, I use some baby yarn size number 3. And this machine is called a Cordy Icord and latch tool, if you're looking for that. So this is my try for this week. I wish you a good day.